Good afternoon. Just thought I would pop in and say hello. It's Saturday and what am I doing? I don't know. What time is it? It's 5 o'clock, so it's nearly dinner time. I apologise for my slightly dishevelled appearance. I went to Rockford earlier and then I had a nap because I was tired. So yeah, there's a few things I would like to get done today, including doing some Vinted uploading, and there's something else I wanted to do as well. Probably cleaning or something. We've started moving the hobby room around, so I need to film that as well. Exciting. And I've also got a writing prompt for July for my little Heather's group that I'm in. So yeah, I need to get on with that as well. So there's a lot going on, and I hear a squelchy come in. Hello. I am vlogging. I'm doing the vlogs with my mini mic. I took the dead cat off it because I figured, well, I don't need that inside. So yeah, let's get on with some bits, shall we? Because I don't know, otherwise I ain't gonna get on with nothing. lovelies. Just thought I'd give you an update on what we've been up to. We went to IKEA today. We had an impromptu IKEA date. And so we went and bought quite a few things. So yeah, I'm going to show you in a minute what we bought. But I'm going to put together the big Calyx unit. And yeah, I need to sort a load of shit out as well. But yeah, let's do it. Here we have the Calyx unit. It is a 4x4 unit, so it was quite big, but fit in the car, no problems. And we've got over here, we've got 8 of these like little cube thingamabobbers that go in the Calyx unit, and then we've got a couple of pegboards over here as well, because we're going to put more of those up.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
So, as you would have just heard, basically, this whole bottom panel of the thing is completely and utterly destroyed. Yeah, you can see it's just completely mangled. So, I'm going to have to give IKEA a ring and see if they've got a replacement. Just been on the phone with IKEA support for the UK, and she sounded like she didn't want to be there at all, which was most helpful. There's a new part coming and it could take up to 10 days to arrive. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to build it in situ, and then when the new part arrives, I just got to take the bottom off and put the new bottom on. I'm not going to film it because it's late and I can't be bothered, so I'll just show you it when it's in situ. I did it! I put it together! Ugh.
Hey everyone. So, it turns out I have come down with a cold, and that's why the last clip is a bit like, yay, I did it, but I was not feeling it at all, and I'm not feeling it now. It's the next morning and I just feel like rubbish, absolute rubbish. I've got a cough, I've got a bit of a weird throat. It's not sore, but it's not perfect either, and then my nose is running like a tap, so that's fun. Was going to do some more tidying today, more moving around, decluttering, moving stuff into the Calyx, that kind of thing. As you can see, I've put my dead cat on my mic because I realised where I've been breathing heavily into my mic, you can hear that, so hopefully the dead cat will remove that now. Oh dear, what a life. Please excuse me, I'm in my pyjamas because I'm not very well. I just wanted to close out the video here and just say thank you so much for watching to the end. Your viewership really means the world to me, and if you could give it a like and subscribe, that would be amazing. Leave me a comment below and I'll get back to you about, you know, what we're doing next, or any tips you have for me. That would be great. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.